Test your. Hey guys, welcome back. Have you used this blender before? Okay, I was told that it can crush bottles, so I went buying it and I decided to test mine with plastic. Let me show you what my experience was. So, maca current, right?
Outside that girl.
Now, this was what I got, guys, is against the smooth, powdery substance that this other guy got. And I was told that it was because of low current. I said, okay, let me go to my house and use my full current to try something else. I got home and I prepared a dried cocoyam, which I made a powder or a flour out of that is on the channel. And then let me show you how it turned out. You can feel from the sound of this that this is well dried and very strong, but I think it should be able to compare to a bottle. Okay, let's see what happens. Well, here you go again. If you ask me, I can tell you that what these people show us isn't what actually it is. Okay? Yes, because I tried to blend this to smoothness for a long time. I blended severally. My blender got very hot. I left it for minutes to settle down before I got back again. At the end of the day, I was able to get what you're seeing here after blending severally. Apparently, they also blend severally several times before getting the smoothness, but they don't tell us. They just show us boom, 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 boom. As if when you just do it that boom, 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 the thing will just give you the powdery substance and wow, you'll be marveled. But guys, it is not what it seems. Okay, if you want to buy this blender, then you have to develop the patience. If you must use it to grind very hard items, even if it is the bottle that you intend to blend or grind, you must be very patient. You must do, and then you go and rest and come back to continue. Okay, else kindly take your item to heavy grinder in the market if you want fast and smooth powdery substance. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give it a 5 because I didn't believe that what I saw on the media is not what is going to give me. I didn't believe I was going to spend the amount of time I spent to get this. It actually got boring to me, and I felt like, oh, if I had known, I would have taken it to the market. But it's okay. If you like this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video.